Hey, what's up? So I'm about to tell you how to make your life flow smooth. Something like a smoothie. you drink smoothies, right? All right, I do too. Anyway, so yeah, like, I don't know, man. I was just thinking, like, I think that, you know, times now are like tribulational or whatever you want to call it. Like, I think people are more serious nowadays than they have ever been. It's like everybody's so like, oh, I want to make this money, man. I got to do this. I got to do that. I got to reach these goals. I got to become successful. And I just feel like so many people are too serious. So, like, I was just sitting, laying in my bed thinking, like, man, you know, my life flows, like, really, really smooth. And I'm like, is this common? You know, because I feel like I'm a weird person because my life flows smooth. I don't know, just crazy thoughts, random thoughts. I know I'm stupid, right? No, really not. I'm not stupid. I'm kind of smart. Anyway, but I want to tell you how to make your life flow smoother. So one thing that you got to do is, like, create non-resistance. A lot of people are like, what the hell is non-resistance? Like, if you want your life to flow smoother, that means you have to stop being so serious, man. You got to get back to the times where you have fun, man. You got to get back to the times where you're going out, hanging out with your friends, man. You know what I'm saying? You got to go hang out and do normal people, human things, you know, instead of being a robot all day looking at your cell phone. You know what I'm saying? It's just like, you can become successful. You can become great. You can achieve all the goals and all that and have all the money and have the house on the hill, house on the prairie or whatever. You can do all of these things. But at the same time, it would be more cooler and more smoother to get there without forcing it to, like, actually happen. You know what I'm saying? And so, like, I know that's been working for me. Like, it seems like the more I don't force things to happen, it's like the easier they come. You know, it's like if you want to attract a girlfriend or something in your life, somebody that you never ever wanted to be with. Does that make any sense? Nah, but that don't make no sense. But you get what I'm saying? Like, if you ever wanted to, like, attract anything into your life, how would you get it? You would work for it. Of course, you would try to make, you know, ends meet for you to actually achieve or defeat and to get there. Okay. But at the same time, you will also want to make sure that you're doing it as easy as you can. Like, be smooth, like a smoothie. You know what I'm saying? Just be smooth. Just be cool, man. People are attracted to people who are smooth, like you and like me. I guess we're on the smooth team, right? We drink smoothies, right? People like people who are smooth and cool and just easy, cool, calm, and collective, okay? So I'm just making this video to say, stop being so serious. You're going to be successful. Hold on, wait. You don't think that in this lifetime that you're going to be successful? Come on. Only one life to live. You know you're going to achieve the goals, okay? So with that being said, just even knowing that, like, you should be comfortable with just being who you are right now. I'm comfortable, be comfortable because I'm myself, and I know that everything that you're going to achieve is going to happen. Like, it's literally going to happen in divine timing. And just flow smooth and have fun. That's all you got to do, okay? So in a nutshell, what I just said was just relax and just have fun. Take life as it comes, you know, and don't take things still so serious. And by the way, bills, they're never going to go away, okay? I just want you to know that. All right, you're going to always be paying bills. No matter how rich you get, you're going to pay even bigger bills, okay? You're never going to go. Stop stressing. Chill out. Have fun. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.